Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a garden tour. It's been 3 weeks since I gave you a garden tour and it has changed dramatically, so yeah. So I'm going to start with the big garden, and I'm going to start with our 3 zucchini plants. So that's our zucchini. Then these are our cucumbers. You can tell we have been picking quite a bit, so I did give you a sneak peek of a few of them. They have climbed to like the little bamboo sticks that we had. They've climbed onto the trellis that we put in the garden. And here are our tomatoes. The Romas and Ruckers are doing quite well. Then here's our 3 rows of corn. That took off while I was on vacation. So I came home completely shocked at what this looked like. Then here's one of my Goldie tomatoes. And then the sunflowers. And of course the sunflowers go across the entire back of the garden, so yes. And more tomatoes. My Abe Lincolns have not quite taken off yet. They do have a few tomatoes, but not anywhere near what I expected. Then our eggplants. And that random patio stone is there for, I guess, where my mom was setting and picking weeds. I don't know. Our random eggplant that we have. Kidney beans. This one has taken off quite a bit. More kidney beans, and our last row of pinto beans. Pinto beans take forever. I learned that last year, and I'm hoping this year they don't frost. It doesn't frost before they're ready. So here's our random Roma tomato plant in our big bucket. More cucumbers and zucchini in those buckets. Our California Wonders, or bell peppers anyway. I thought some of these were purple, but none have turned purple yet. So I don't think they are. And yes, I have been picking the ones that are ready. So far I've harvested 6, and I could probably go out and pick more just today. And yes, I'm trying to show you all of them, like all the plants, but yeah, that works. But we do have quite a bit of bell peppers, but we will use them either fresh or I will end up freezing them. So we will see. Okay, so onto the front yard, our random jalapeno, our 1 jalapeno plant, we have 3 jalapeno plants. One's pretty much gone, and 2 are alive, and the one's got a jalapeno on it. And this is my firework pepper. It's got 3 firework peppers on it. This is doing better than anything else. I learned, do not plant them in the front yard. They do not do well. Then our random cucumbers in the front yard, our lettuce. I did plant more lettuce, our random beet that's ready, and our carrots. We have been picking radishes, and most of our radishes have been picked, so we do need to plant more of those, but I did plant more lettuce and more cucumbers. These are where we put our Japanese cucumbers, so yeah. Then up on the deck, my herbs, my basil is doing quite amazing. And the thyme is doing okay. I don't use thyme, so I'm not really that worried about it. And the parsley and the oregano need to catch up. Okay, and here are our potatoes. I showed these last because I'm also going to harvest these in this video. So today I did so the day I filmed this, I did end up digging up my potatoes. So I started by pulling some of the plants. You can do that sometimes, just pull the plants and the potatoes come up with them. Other times you actually have to dig. So what I did was pull the plants and then dig underneath them. To make sure I actually got all the potatoes. I did get quite a bit out of this box that we planted in. It honestly kind of surprised me. I got a whole bucket's worth, which will give us probably 5, if not more, meals out of it. And I just planted a bag of potatoes we had left over from last year. So we ended up with some reds, some golds, and some like random like weird russet potatoes. I think it's not really a russet, but it kind of looks like one. So there's like 3 different types of potatoes in here. So and you will see the cats sneak in and out every now and then because they wanted to help because I was digging in the garden. And we did have like a few weird alien potatoes like this that got stuck to each other and then grew together. It was just kind of funny, so I did want to show you that. There's another one later on that's a red potato that kind of grew together too, so yeah. But as you can see, like I just pulled that plant and had potatoes come up, and then I will dig in that spot and I will find more. Poe actually kind of blocked that for me, but yeah, who cares? It's Poe. She's allowed to do whatever she wants in my head because yeah. And I did go back through this box the next day and look for any other random potatoes that I may have missed, because sometimes you do miss them. That, and the next day I planted beets and carrots in this box. You see, because I'm going to use, it's still early in the season for that, and while I can still grow stuff, I'm going to grow as much as I can. So yeah. And here's another one of those random potatoes. So, I'm just going to keep harvesting potatoes and see what I end up with. This is what we ended up with. So that's going to be it for this garden and potato harvesting video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you've not done so, hit the subscribe button down below.